Welcome to Monkey Business MB, and today's video is about my GRAZE box. Looks like this, probably upside down. My husband already opened it and tasted everything, so now I'm gonna do it myself. And like, I don't know if I'm gonna get another one. I doubt it. I'm not sure. This is how, whoopsie, this is how it looks inside with all those snacks. And then it has like this coupon. I think it's a coupon, and like the nutritional information. And then oh, like it's like a code for new boxes. So I'm gonna go try. Like, my husband actually rated like 10 out of 10, I think. 10 out of 10. Yeah, he rated 10 out of 10, so he said I'm not gonna like most of the things. So anyways, like there's this one that says it's scrumptious blueberry swirl, blueberry yogurt, raisins, raspberry, cranberries, and blackcurrants. Blackcurrants? What are blackcurrants? Smells good. Oh, that's how it looks inside. Maybe not. I think that's a cranberry. Let me see that white one. Oh, that's the yogurt. I just like the raisins, I think. Does it have raisins? Yeah. Raisins. Nope. Maybe it's alright. The next little box is Italian herb focaccia, basil breadsticks, rosemary crostini, fiery seeds, and smoked almonds. I already know I'm not gonna like it because of the basil. So it has like little crotons and like little sticks. I don't know, like little sticks and seeds. I'm gonna try the almond. The almond is good. These are like pumpkin seeds, I think. Is it pumpkin seeds? Those are good. Not the croissant. Oh, too much basil. And then there's the fourth one. Sour cream and garlic. Crostinis again, sour cream and onion cashews with garlic crostini. They ruin it with the garlic, by the way. I don't like garlic. Oh, this is a cashew. Oh, it looks like this. Cashews and cashews and breadsticks again. I don't. Too much garlic. Next, see, I saved the good one for last. Is this one? Whole grain banana. Well, he almost finished it, by the way. Whole grain banana caramel dipper. So it's banana shortbread with caramel sauce. Better, right? Banana. So you have your. It had 4, I think. I think he ate 2. He left 2. Most likely, he's gonna finish everything because I don't like nothing. This is good. I'm not even gonna. I think I already tasted it. So see, you dip it in the caramel rings, and then you taste. And this one's good. It literally tastes like banana. To me, it almost tastes like powdered milk, but I don't know. It's because of the shortbread. I think that's what it is. The flour tastes like milk. but he's gonna end up eating everything. I don't like it. I just broke with my mouth full. I'm sorry. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get another one. I didn't even remember I got this box from the GRAZE people. But yeah, so it comes just like this, and with their 4 snacks. But for like people that like garlic and basil and like, what do you call those? Like those ingredients, it could be good. He liked it a lot, but not me. Ugh. Like, I definitely don't like the sour cream garlic. Nope. It would probably be like this. Number 1 is the banana. Number 2 is the blueberry. Then the focaccia one with Italian herbs. And then that would be the last one. I don't like garlic that much. It's nasty. I like cashews but not garlic, and it's filled with garlic flavor. But other than that, I think it's alright for having a snack. He'll eat it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get another one, but I will sure put down in the description box a coupon where you can get one yourself and how to get a discount if you buy a box. So yeah, that was the GRAZE box. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you in another video. Bye.